Small gardens have a lot more potential than you realize. Whether dealing with a long narrow space behind a vintage home, a cramped backyard that lacks privacy, or a shabby garden at the rear of a brownstone, the possibilities are endless. So, don't write off your 40-foot by 20-foot outdoor area just yet. With the right design, it could be an incredible garden. In this video, I am showing you the small garden design ideas, and I hope that you will enjoy this video. Remember the importance of negative space. Even a tiny courtyard or lawn can provide balance to a small garden. Include built-in seating in a corner to keep your garden from feeling crowded. Use a living wall to add lushness where ground space is limited. Step back and look at your yard with fresh eyes, then simplify a tiddy. Even if your outdoor space seems overwhelming, pick just one thing that you most want to change. You can maximize the livability of a small yard by taking advantage of changes in terrain to segment the space into different living areas. Dividing a garden, even when small, often has the paradoxical effect of making it seem larger. In small gardens where space is too limited for major focal points, compose a series of mini views within the garden itself, offering interest in every direction while using plants to provide a framework. Divide the garden into outdoor rooms that echo and expand upon the home's interior, going both inside and out, more purpose and making everything feel larger. When selecting plants for a relatively small space, don't go color crazy. Stick with a more monochromatic scheme of cooler colors like blues, violets, yellows, and silvery greens. Otherwise, you may end up with a garden that feels close and confined. Don't forget lighting to extend the use of your yard well into the night. In this video, you are watching the small yard landscape designs. Keep connected with our channel. Subscribe us for more videos like this. Thank you so much, guys.